Okay, so today's code, we're going to be creating a program that determines if an integer is even or odd, one using a switch and one using an if. So I'm going to go ahead and do my preprocessor. And declare my namespace. And then open my main function. And then go ahead and put in my return 0. So first, I'm going to go ahead and store my input, my variable as an integer. And we're going to do an output statement asking for a number. And then we're going to store that in number. So first I'm going to use my if statement. So we're going to say if, and I'm going to say number modulus 2 is equal to 0, which means if you divide your number by 2 and there's no remainder, that's going to be an even number. So we're going to do a display number is even. Forgot some semicolons. And then we're going to do an else. If you divide your number by 2 and it does not result in a 0, that's going to be an odd number. And so let's run it. We're going to say 8. 8, of course, is an even number. And of course, 67 is an odd number. So that was using my if statement. And now I'm going to do the same thing using a switch statement. So I'm keeping my same variable and my same input and output statements. This time, however, I'm going to use a switch to determine if it's even or odd. So our expression, I'm going to use the same one, number modulus 2. And then I'm going to open a set of curly braces because it's going to be a longer function. And so I'm going to set two cases, case 0 and case 1. And these are going to be our two possible answers from number modulus 2. Of course, if it results in 0, it's going to be an even number. If it results in 1, it's going to be an odd number. So we're going to do that same cout, numbers even, numbers odd. And then we're going to include a break statement, which means if this is true, the rest of the code will not run. And I'm going to do the same thing for my other case. And another break statement. And we're going to give that a run. 65 is an odd number. 34 is an even number.